what I'm doing is I'm putting on some gloves because I want to put this metal conditioner on there, which is some kind of phosphoric acid, and it's supposed to, you know, kind of eat any rust, make the metal, you know, shiny and clean. And you put that on before you put primer on. So I thought I'd go ahead and wipe this down. You just wipe it on there and let it sit 10 minutes, and then wipe it off. But because it's an acid, I thought I'd better wear some gloves, although I don't think it's too you know, too potent an acid anyway. But I think it'll keep any rust or anything on here from coming back. Any of these spots where I didn't, you know, just grind it real good with disc sander or something. Some of these spots you can't get to, and I didn't waste a lot of time on the inside. So, you know, in this part. So I think I'll do that, but you're just supposed to put it on there and wipe it off, and that's supposed to fix the problem, so stuff will stick to it. We'll say one thing, any surface rust or anything that you got, it does seem to, you know, take that right off. It makes it shiny. There's places in here you probably can't see them with that camera, but where I go over it with this stuff, it does make it, shines it right up in there. It does do that. And it's supposed to prevent that oxidation from coming back until I can get some primer on there. That's what the purpose of it is. Although I'm told you can use just use apple cider vinegar. You know, the white vinegar. People use it for cleaning things in the house. You see it in the grocery store. Some people clean their windows with it and stuff. But vinegar will take off rust. I know that. So